playback. This is Mimi, guys. So let's open it and see what's inside. There's a lot of toys in here. There's Elsa. There's Pinky. And there's another Pinky right here. This is my little kitty. She name's Rainbows. The world is rainbows. And this one is Nom, nom, nom. And the last one is a phone. Picture cheese. Picture cheese. And there's another kitty. This is his name is I like to name him Windows. And this is a penguin from the Little Hello Kitty. His name is Thickery. He's really good. And they have a phone for the baby. A pillow. Glasses. And we have a bottle. And look, it has diamonds. If you shake it, look, there's diamonds. The blanket for the baby when she gets cold. Always, I think so, there's a brush. And here's the old baby right here. Baby, huh? Baby. She has little hiccups. She's drinking it. Hey guys, what's your favorite drink? My favorite is blueberry juice cupcake. That's my own favorite. Let's have a party. These are so pinky and they're so cool. Baby is gonna be with me right here. She was hanging upside down. The baby's gonna go to sleep, everybody. I think she waked up. What the heck, baby? Baby, what's wrong with you? Oh, she waked up. Hey guys, I'm gonna show my favorite doll. Favorite doll is, this is my castle. And I like this girl. She's my favorite. Ariel. And this is my favorite. I have 3 kitties. And her name is Hello Kitty Cupcakes. And this one, her name is Marie. She's so cute. She has a little bow. She has a little bow. She's so cute. She's so fluffy. You can take her to bed. You can put her a bow. She has Elsa and Anna. And this is a bow with Elsa and Anna with the leaves. It's from Arendelle. Because I put it in her ear. And it was so cool. And if you want to take it off, she has her own bow. If you want to put another bow, it's okay. Now she has 2 bows. But one is in her here. doll. And I have another elf right there. This one doesn't have arms or legs. Because it's just Elsa. She's my favorite. She spins. And then she dances. Nancy, Nancy. Nancy, Nancy. And she has some shoes. Take it off or put it on. Or you want to switch like this. What color are their shoes? Let me hear. Yeah, pink! They're all pink. Color is the crown. Wow, you're really right. You're good at that game. And what is these for? What color of them are still blue, huh? Where's your choo-choo? It's pink! I know. What color is her bow? Blue. What color is her beautiful, beautiful scarf? Yeah, purple! I know I'm gonna be right. What color is the shirt? Yeah, yellow! That's yellow! Mommy and Daddy brought me this little fancy Nancy for me. So cute, huh, everybody? Ooh. So now we're gonna answer some questions, everybody. So pay attention, no talking. My favorite color is pink and blue and purple because they're all lighter. Because I like that. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? If you know your colors, like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. My favorite toy, this one. She's my favorite toy. Even the LOL. My favorite food, pasta. A McDonald's. Don't forget to drink your water. That's always important. Do you like my beautiful bows? I know they're pretty. There's an Elsa one, and there's a sparkly blue one. Like and 5th grade and give me 100,000,000 thumbs up, please. Thank you for watching.